Today I will show you a platform. Many people are earning online there by selling some easily accessible tools without advertisements. It is a 7-year-old trusted marketplace. People earn here by sharing or reselling premium subscriptions. I myself have been selling tools on this platform for the last 7 days and have earned $1,000, and it is increasing continuously. And so then I will show you where you will source these tools at a lower price and then come to GamsGo and sell them at a higher price. First, I will go to Google and search for GamsGo. After searching, I will click on the first site that appears. After clicking, you will be able to see an interface like this, and it will take you directly to the home page. Here you will see a headline, Shared Premium Subscriptions with Lower Price on GamsGo. The simple meaning of this is that different types of premium subscriptions are shared here at a lower price. This platform is basically a marketplace where sellers and buyers from different countries connect. Sellers resell different subscriptions or digital tools here, and buyers can purchase them at a comparatively lower price. Now I will scroll down a little. Here you will be able to see various popular services such as ChatGPT, Spotify, Disney+, Midjourney, Gemini, Gamma, Netflix, YouTube Premium, etc., and subscriptions for these are available here. Many times it is seen that the official prices of these types of subscriptions are comparatively high, but some vendors or resellers buy them at a lower price and then sell them in the marketplace at a slightly higher price. Suppose you bought a Netflix subscription from a vendor for only $2. Then if you want, you can sell it on the GamsGo platform for $5 or $6. Now, if on each of your sales, suppose you have an average profit of about $2, then by doing a simple calculation, it can be seen that if you can sell this subscription to 500 buyers, then the total profit can be around $1,000. On this platform, usually you do not need to run any separate advertisements. You will list your subscription here, and then buyers from different countries can see it in the platform's marketplace and can buy it if they are interested. Now, a question may come to many people's minds. Where will we find these vendors? Actually, these types of vendors can be found in various places online. However, for beginners, it can be a little difficult to find the right source at the beginning. If you want to know where you can get various AI tools or digital subscriptions at a very low price, then you can join our community. In our community, we show in detail where tools can be collected at a lower price, how to list them in the marketplace, and how to sell them properly. If you want, you can collect some tools from us at a comparatively lower price and get the opportunity to list them in the marketplace and sell them. Now I will show you how you can join here as a seller. On the top right side of the website, there is an option called Become Seller. You will click there. After that, a new page will open. There you will see an option called Join Now at the bottom. If you want to apply as a seller, then you have to click here. After that, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, phone number verification, and NID or any other ID for identity verification. In addition, you will also need to complete a face verification. If you submit all the information correctly, usually your application is reviewed within 24 hours. Once it is approved, you will be able to list your subscriptions or digital services here and get the opportunity to sell them. However, before starting work, you should carefully read the platform's terms and conditions and verify everything before making a decision. Now, I will show you the platform that I am using to work. I have now come to the GamsGo website. Look above. Here there is an option called Seller Center. I am clicking on it now. After clicking, a dashboard opened in front of me. Here on the left side, you will be able to see many options. From this dashboard, a seller can basically manage everything. First, look here, there is an option called Order. I am clicking here now. After that, you will see a section called Seller Order. From here, you will be able to easily see how many total products you have sold. Here, the entire order status is shown very nicely, such as how many orders are pending, how many have been refunded, and how many have been successfully completed. Everything can be easily monitored from this dashboard. Now let's come to another important option. Look here, there is an option called Offer. If you want to sell a new product, then you will click on New Offer here. Then you will have to provide some information about your product. First, you have to select what type of product you want to sell. For example, any digital subscription tool or any game-related service. After that, you have to select the product name. Then you have to provide some important information, such as how long the subscription is for, the price of the product, warranty information, delivery method. In the case of the delivery method, usually there are two options: automatic delivery or manual delivery. You can select whichever one you find convenient. After providing all the information correctly, you will be able to publish your offer. Now, if you go to the digital subscriptions section, then here you will be able to see how many tools you have listed in total, how many are in stock, and how many have already been sold. All the information can be seen here in detail. Now let's come to the Messenger section. In this section, you will be able to communicate directly with your buyers. There's a very good feature here. Buyers from different countries may sometimes message you in their own language, but there is nothing to worry about. Next to the message, there is an auto-translate option. If you click on it, the message will be translated into English. In this way, you can easily understand what the buyer is saying, and if you want, you can also reply in their language. Now let's come to the wallet section. By coming to this wallet section, you will be able to see how many dollars are pending in total, how many dollars are available for withdrawal, and how much total earning has been made. Here you can see your complete income report. However, one thing is important to remember. Usually all the dollars cannot be withdrawn immediately, because most digital subscriptions work for a specific period of time. Suppose a subscription is for 1 month. In that case, the platform keeps the payment in pending status for some time. The reason for this is, if the subscription does not work properly, or if any problem occurs, then the buyer can have the opportunity to get support or a refund. After this time passes, sellers are gradually given the opportunity to withdraw. So friends, I hope the video was informative for you. If you want to see more videos about this type of online income, AI tools, and digital business, then definitely give a like to the video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon next to it, and you can join our community from the school community link given in the description.